Hello students. In the last classes we learned multiplication of fractions and how can we find the reciprocal fractions. We are going to make use of reciprocal fractions in division of fractions. Today we will learn how can we do division of fractions. Okay. For doing division of fractions, what we have to do? First fraction multiplied by reciprocal of the second fraction. Division of fraction is equal to first fraction multiplied by reciprocal of the second fraction. We will write the first fraction as it is, and second fraction what we will do? We will write the reciprocal of that, and instead of division sign we will put the multiplication sign. Okay, we can see here question number 1, 5 by 7 divided by 9 by 4. We are going to divide 5 by 7 with 9 by 4. Now what to do? We will write the first fraction as it is here, that is 5 by 7. Now instead of division sign we will put the multiplication sign here. Then next we will write the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 9 by 4. What is reciprocal of 9 by 4? That is 4 by 9. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 9 by 4? That is 4 by 9. Okay, now what to do? How we do the multiplication process? In the same way we have to continue the process. Okay, now 5 and 7, do they have any common factors? No. 5 and 9, do they have any common factors? No. 4 and 7, they don't have any common factors, and 4 and 9, they do not have any common factors. Then what to do? We can multiply the numerators by multiply the denominators. 5 4s are 20 by 9 7s are 63. Your answer will be 20 by 63. Your answer will be 20 by 63. If you find it difficult to do it directly, first we can write the reciprocal of the second fraction, then we can continue the process. For example, we will do the second question in that way. Now, 12 divided by 6 by 11. Second question is 12 divided by 6 by 11. 12 means, how can we make it as a fraction? 12 by 1. Okay. Now, divided by 6 by 11. If you want, you can write reciprocal of second fraction. Okay. Which is the second fraction? 6 by 11 is equal to 11 by 6. How to write the reciprocal? Just upside down. 11 by 6. Now what to do? We can write the process here. 12, first fraction we wrote as it is. Division sign we will change it into multiplication sign, and the reciprocal of the second fraction is 11 by 6. 12 by 1. You can see here whether there is any common factors for 12 and 1. No. 12 and 6, yes, both the numbers are divisible by 6. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now you can see there is no common factors, no more common factors here. 2 11s are 22 by 1 1 is 1. Okay, so 20 by 22 by 1 means 22 itself. Okay. Now next you can see both are mixed fractions. We will change these mixed fractions into improper fractions. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 3 divided by 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 by 4. First we change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we can change the sign. As you change the sign, what to do? We have to change the second fraction into its reciprocal form. As you change the sign, division sign into multiplication sign, What we have to do? We have to change the second fraction into its reciprocal form. First fraction we will write as it is 10 by 3. Division sign will be changed into multiplication sign. Reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 4 by 10. 10 by 4 will become 4 by 10. Now we can see whether there is any common factors for them. 10 and 10. Yes, both are divisible by 10. So we will divide them with 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are 10. 4 and 3, they do not have any common factors. So we cannot reduce to its lowest terms. Now we can see 1 4 is 4 by 3. 1 is 3. 4 by 3 will be the answer. We can change that answer into mixed fraction as it is an improper fraction. Sometimes what some children they do, they just change the sign here. Okay, instead of 12 divided by 6 by 11, what they do, ma'am has told to change the sign. They just change the sign here and they do not change the number over here. Then will the answer be correct? No. Now what you are doing, instead of division, you are doing the multiplication. Here when you change the sign, we have to change the number also. That you shouldn't forget. Once you change the division sign and make it multiplication sign, you have to change the second fraction to its reciprocal form. Then only it will be the actual division process. Okay, division process is just like multiplication process only. Only thing you have to do, instead of division sign, we will change it into multiplication sign, and second fraction will be changed it into its reciprocal form. It means first, instead of division, what we are doing? First fraction multiplied by reciprocal of the second fraction. Hope all of you understood division of fractions. Thank you.